Hello student, good morning. In previous video we have seen about the information of industries. Okay, we have seen the factors those are affecting the location of an industries. We have seen the agriculture process, availability of labor market, okay, energy, water supply, forest and minerals. Okay, means where these factors will be available, okay, that area or that region, okay, we can start the factories. So dear student, we have seen that due to the industrializations, our Indian economy is increasing day by day, okay, through the industries, okay, many people, okay, they are getting job. That's why in this way they are increasing their lifestyle. So dear student, today's video we will see the next portion. In any given area, the development of industries is dependent on the several factors such as availability of raw material. So in any given area, the development of industries, okay, तुम कहाँ भी अगर इंडस्ट्री ओपन करना चाहते हो उसके लिए नाउ विल सी टुडे विच फैक्टर्स आर रिस्पॉन्सिबल और विच फैक्टर इज वेरी रियली यूजफुल. मीन्स विदाउट दैट फैक्टर वी कांट स्टार्ट एनी टाइप ऑफ इंडस्ट्रीज. सो फर्स्ट फैक्टर इज अवेलेबिलिटी ऑफ रॉ मटेरियल. अवेलेबिलिटी ऑफ रॉ मटेरियल, कच्चा raw material is very important. For example, if you want to establish sugar factory, okay, for the sugar factory we want sugar cane. कैसा ये sugar cane. If you want to cotton industries, for that we want cotton. So okay, this is very important because without raw material we can't, okay, we can't produce finished material. Then next point is water. Water is also very important factor. Then labor. So okay, to work in the industries we want skill as well as unskilled labor. Okay, without labors, okay, we can't do anything in the companies or industries. The next point is transport. Transport is also is an very important. Okay, for example, we have raw material, okay, water supply, labor, okay, all these things are available. Okay, now we are, we can say, we want to supply, or we can say we want to distribute all, means our product or commodities in the different area, but there is no facility of transport. So what is the use of your finished product? So that's why dear student, transport systems, transport facilities is very important factor, because through the transport we can send our commodities or goods in the marketplace, or we can distribute in the different place, different state. Then next, capital. Capital means money. Okay, to establish any industries we want money. Without money we can't do anything. Okay, money is very important factor. Then market means, you know that market increase the value of your product. क्या increase करता है? Market. So market is also very important. Okay, this means we have seen the raw material, water, labor, transport, capital and market. Okay, all these factors are very important, okay, to increase the industry. As per the availability of these factors, specific industries develop. Because of the unequal distributions of this factor, industrial development does not take place at the same place at all places. So without all these factors, okay, no one increase their, or no one boost their, you can say, economical factors or economic development or industrial development. So unequal distribution of these factors, if there is an unequal distribution of this factor, so what will happen? Okay, our industries, our industrial product, okay, will not going to, means properly. Okay, there will be, what will happen? अनइक्वल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन हो जाएगा. मतलब लिसन केयरफुली व्हाट आई एम सेइंग, अगर ये सभी फैक्टर्स अगर आपके पास अवेलेबल है तो आपकी फैक्ट्री, आपकी कंपनी अच्छे से चल सकती है. अगर कोई भी फैक्टर, इफ देयर इज अ a single or two factors are very big, then your company, okay, what will happen, आफ्टर सम डेज विल क्लोज, आपकी कंपनी क्या हो जाएगी, क्लोज हो जाएगी. इसलिए ऑल दिस फैक्टर्स आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, ओके, टू इंक्रीज योर फैक्ट्री. So some regions are suitable for the development of industries, while in other regions only particular industries develop. So some regions are very, you can say, suitable for the development of the industries, because first point is raw material. If there is a raw material available, okay, you can start their industries. For example, okay, in our Lakhni we decide we have to start cotton industries, but in our area we produce rice. हम क्या प्रोड्यूस करते हैं, राइस. कॉटन नहीं है, रॉ मटेरियल नहीं है, तो ये कॉटन इंडस्ट्रीज चल पाएगी? नो. ओके, यू हैव लेबर, वाटर सप्लाई, कैपिटल, ट्रांसपोर्ट, के ऑल फैक्टर्स आर अवेलेबल, बट रॉ मटेरियल नो. absence, due to the absence of raw material, okay, you couldn't start or establish cotton industry. So dear students, in some regions are suitable for the development of industries, while in other regions only particular industries develop. So ऐसे कुछ एरिया है कि वहाँ पे सिर्फ पर्टिकुलर रीजन्स है, ओके, वहाँ पे सिर्फ ऐसे कुछ फैक्टर्स अवेलेबल है जिसकी वजह से वो कंपनीज अभी तक चल रही है. डेंस फॉरेस्ट एंड डेजर्ट एरिया आर नॉट कंडक्टिव टू इंडस्ट्रियल डेवलपमेंट. सो डेंस फॉरेस्ट एरिया एंड डेजर्ट, डेंस फॉरेस्ट वो बहुत घना जंगल और डेजर्ट है, ओके, रेगिस्तान है. There is no development of industrial area. Okay, in the dense forest, okay, due to the dense forest, there is a problem of raw material. Okay, transport systems, वहाँ पे रास्ता नहीं है अच्छे तरह से, ओके. और जैसे कि डेजर्ट एरिया में there is a main problem is of water supply, okay, and there is a problem of raw material. That's why in the dense forest and desert area, okay, we cannot start any type of industry. That's why there is no industrial development. So dear student, page number 53, see there is a figure number 8.2, location of iron and steel industry, location of iron and steel industry, okay, and below this figure, okay, there are some questions. So dear student, it is a homework for you. You have to study this figure carefully and, okay, write the answer. The first answer is name the industry at Jamshedpur. Okay, Jamshedpur में कौन सा इंडस्ट्री है? Okay, you can write it, okay, easily. Then which raw material is required for this industry? Which raw material is required for the industries? So okay, in the index, okay, there are all type of raw material: iron ore, manganese, limestone, coal. Okay, all these. From which area is raw material obtained? कौन सी एरिया से हमको raw material मिलता है? Okay, so dear student, okay, these are the homework for you by studying this figure 8.2. Okay, you have to solve these questions. Okay, in this way, today's video, okay, it is sufficient information. Okay, next video we will see next informations of this lesson. Thank you.